thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Tabitha. In case you're new to it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right below. Today we're going to be making a quick, easy dump and go soup. It's simple, it's easy. You only need like 4 or 5 ingredients for it. But since it is cold season, my favorite food is making comfort food. So you guys will see a lot of crock pot dump and go meals and soups, and I'll throw in some other things here and there. But today, like I said, we're going to be doing the bean soup. So if you want to learn how to make that, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. You're going to need a little bit of salt, pepper. I have 2.5 cups of beans. Here I already soaked them for 24 hours, so I only need to cook them for about like 2 to 3 hours. But make sure you read the label on how to do them. But yeah, I already cleaned and picked them out. So there's the beans. Here's 3 or 4 strips of bacon, and then I cut it up really small. Reasoning being is it's going to be cooking in the crock pot for a few hours, so it'll bring a lot of flavor, and you only need about a few strips. If you like extra bacon, it's your choice. I need 1/4 of an onion, a jalapeno for flavor. Do not cut the jalapeno, otherwise it will be spicy. But like I said, I just use it for flavor. I need 1 chicken bouillon, and that's about it. For the toppings I have here, I have cilantro and onion cut up. My favorite is queso fresco. You can get it at Walmart or any Mexican store nearby. And then I like to top it with avocado, because avocados are my favorite. But it is, like you said, you guys, your choice on what to do. So these are the recipes. Now let's get started. Put in the bouillon, salt. Okay guys, so here I'm gonna put in the bacon. As you can see, I cut out as much fat as I could. I don't really like a lot of fat on my bacon, but if you prefer a lot of fat, it's all up to you, man. So I'm just gonna pour it in here. I'm gonna cook it on high for about 4 to 5 hours. Only because I don't want my beans to be super overcooked, because like I said guys, I already soaked them overnight, so it is pretty well done. But yeah, if you want anything else in here, go ahead. So yeah, we'll let this cook 4 hours and we'll be back. While we're waiting for the food to cook, I guess I'll be doing dishes and trying to put the baby to sleep. So yeah, I will check back with you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so it's been about 2.5 hours and I'm checking one of the beans to see if it's ready. Still probably got like an hour or 2 more to go. It's still pretty hard, but the house smells amazing. So we'll be back. Hey. So yeah guys, we'll be back in a little bit. So it's been about 4 hours, so now we're gonna do the taste test. Best part, taste test. So good guys, and it's so easy, like I said. There it is guys, there you have it. So there I made the bean soup. If you liked it, go ahead and show me a picture on the comments down below, or give me a big thumbs up. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe, and continue to join me and my family. Again, thank you for everything, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.